Hello everyone, today I'll be making a video regarding my application, EventMaster. So when entering the app, you are welcomed by the screen, and then you can just click get started, and it will forward you to the login screen. From here, you can see that we're in the login screen, but we currently don't have an account. So we're going to go register an account over here. So I'm going to type in my credentials right now, called Devus Lee Yu Xuan. Machine R092. And then my name will be Devus Lee. The password will be 123 123 123 123. Now register. So now it's been registered. You can see it says that a verification email has been sent, and then we currently have a choice to add our phone number in. So I will be doing that. I'll add my phone number. I'll send the OTP, and then now let me see if I received it. Alright, it is 497232. So now I have verified my phone number, and then let me go to my email. I'll show you guys as I type in my account details. It will say that I need to verify my email. So I'm gonna go to my email right now. I have this email and I'll click verify. Alright, the email is here. There we go. Now it's been verified, I can log in. Now that I have logged in, as you can see, there's currently one event. This is not my event, but this is the homepage. This is a football event. So this is created by another user. If I click into it, I can see more details. The sport name, this is football. The sport type, it is a sport. It starts at 6:30 and it ends at 9:30. This is the date and this is the location. So you can also click this button to switch sides. You'll go to Google and it will show you where the location is at. In this scenario, it is in Penang. So there we go, it will show you that. And then going back here. So the other option is we get to favorite the event. So if you favorite it, it will disappear from this page and it will move to the next page, which is the favorite page. This page shows the events that you are interested in. Any event that you have clicked favorite, it will show here. And then since this is on the 18th of November, if you click on the calendar, you can also see it here. And if I click 18th, you can see it over here. And if I click 19, you can see it disappears. So the calendar allows you to see the events that are occurring on specific days. In this scenario, the event is happening on the 18th of November, so if I click it, it will pop up. In this section, if you click the favorite event, you can also choose to remove it from your list. So if you remove it, it will disappear from here and it will go back to the home page. This will also show up in the notification bar. So over here, you can see just now that we have added the event to our calendar and we've removed the event to our calendar. So it will notify as you do these actions. Moving on, we'll be looking at the settings page. When you enter the settings page, you are welcomed by an image, your username, and your email. And a few other functions, but we'll look at that for you later. Firstly, we'll change your profile image. So when you click into here, you can click here again, and you can click profile image, and you can update it. You can see it's quite simple, and you updated your profile picture. Next, we'll create an event. So currently we do not own any events, even though there is one at the home page, but that is an event owned by someone else. So add our own event over here. I'll call it food. The food will be, this type will be others. The date will be 18th. I'll put 19th of November. 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock. And then in Penang. Here you can launch the location and check if it's correct. So in this scenario, in Penang, it looks correct. It is this area. So we'll go back and we'll add a description. This is food. Request it. So now this is currently pending. Pending events will not show up in the home page and will only show up to the person that created the event. So you can see currently it doesn't show here, doesn't show anywhere, but you can see that it has been created. And then now if you log out, and then you go to the admin page, over here you can see that it is pending. So you can click into it and you can approve it. And if you log out, you can log back into the main account. From here you can see that our event has been approved. Food has been approved. And in the notification bar it says food, your event has been approved. So you can now see it in the home page. From there you can click onto it and you can do the same thing. You can favorite it and it will show up in this list. So I'm gonna unfavorite this right now to show you guys the search function. So the search bar is up here. So if we search football, it will show up football. If I delete it, it will show up back. And if I search food, it will show food. So this works for every page. So if I favorite these two, and I'll move them to the favorite page. I can also do the same. Football, it'll show up. Search food, it will also show up the same. Moving on, we'll be back to the settings, and we're gonna update our events. So you can see it's currently called food. I click into it, I can click update. I can change it to called popcorn. And I can update it. So now it's called popcorn. And then you can see a notification. It says your event has been updated. It showed a few times here because there was a few errors as I was doing it, and I had to repeat the video a few times, but I ignored that. And then you can see it has changed over here. I can remove it and show up here. When you remove events also, it will show up a notification. Alright, lastly, we'll look at the last two functions. So the edit password. So currently our password is 123123. So 123, I'll put a bit more different password. I'll put this is new. And I'll put this is new to confirm it. If I click update, it says password updated. We can check that by going back into the account and typing in this is new. If I sign in, should work fine. Correct. This is the correct account. So the edit password works fine. For the edit phone, we'll try out. So just now my phone was 014040325, but now I want to change to my phone. So let's try another phone number. I will use my mom's phone number. 12-428-1991, and then I will type in the credentials. I'll send an OTP. It will be 713561, and from here we can verify that correct. So now we log out. So we'll now prove that the phone number has changed. The only way of doing that is using the forget account feature. So first, and we can forget by email and forget by phone. We'll try phone first. So let's try it. The account was 0112-428-1991. And then I will send the OTP. And the OTP will be 713561. I verify. If it's complete, I can now change my password. So here I'll change it back to 123-123. To make it simple. Update it, should be complete. And if I type back the old account, I type 123, I should be able to log in. There we go, successful. So that's done for that part. So the last function is forget by email. So let's type in the email that I have and send an OTP. So it will send you an OTP on your phone, and then you can change it there. So for here, I will change my password to test123. Test123. If I update it, you'll say updated. And then I will now test it over here. I'll log back in my account from test123 and sign in. Sign in successful. So that'll be it for this application. All the functions have been explained. Thank you very much.